Hey everybody, welcome back to Cooking with Corey. Today we're going to tackle chicken saltimbocca. Stay tuned. That's next on Cooking with Corey. Alright everybody, let's look at our ingredients for today. We got some prosciutto, boneless skinless chicken breast, some chili flake, some lemon, some butter, some sage, some parsley, salt, pepper, among other things. And we're also going to do a spicy lemon brown butter sauce with this today. So that will be our sauce for the day. Let's get this going next. Alright, I've already got this prep started, and what I've done here is I've taken one of those breasts and I've taken my knife along it and cut it into 3 pieces. So as you can see here, this would be the top. This is the whole breast. So there's 1, there's 2, and then there's 3. So you get nice little thin pieces of chicken. You could definitely pound this out. It would work perfectly fine. It's totally up to you. But you just want nice little thin pieces of chicken, regardless of how you get to that. And we're going to do some vegetable prep and, well, herb prep and stuff like that here quick. And then we'll show you how we dress these up. Alright peeps, we are back. Alright, we got our chicken here. We just did some sage is what I was doing there. So we got our sage all going on here. And did some parsley, and I did a little bit of lemon for our sauce. But here's our chicken that we talked about earlier. Boneless skinless breast cut down to 3 pieces. One boneless skinless breast into 3 pieces. You don't have to do that. You can pound it out. You can do what you want. This is the way I'm doing it. So we're going to give them a little bit of salt. Not a lot because we're using prosciutto here. And obviously we're going to be giving them fresh cracked pepper. Another thing I like to do at this point in time, just a little bit of olive oil in there on each one. For the reason I do this is because we are going to put our sage on here. You do not have to chiffonade your sage or anything like that. You can put it on there whole, perfectly fine. It's the way I do it. And then you put your sage on your chicken, like so. And you need to keep some back because we are doing a sage brown butter sauce with lemon. I'm going to put some pepper flake in. It's going to be a little bit spicy. So, alright. That's good. Alright. See, everything's not even there. You know, we got some nice different textures in our sage. So, next we wrap and we'll be back. Alright guys, and we got 1 piece of prosciutto on here. As you can see, I got 1 piece of prosciutto on him. And which would be fine. You can just keep that on there, but I like to put another piece over like so, and then wrap him under our chicken scallopini or whatever you want to call it, and that's what you're going to end up with. And so I'm going to I'll show you one more quick. This prosciutto is really acting up. So you lay one like so over your chicken breast. You get you another piece, and you can put it around, or like I said, you don't have to do that. You can wrap it around your breast like so. So we got another piece right here. You can see this stuff is razor thin, and this one I might do too. So pick them up, Wrap him around the bottom like so. And he's looking good. And next, after I get these done, I'm going to do a saute pan. We're going to saute these up, and then we're going to make our sauce, and we're going to build a beautiful plate. We're going to have some roasted baby potatoes and green beans with this one. So I'm going to fix these up, and we'll be back. Saute pan going, a little bit of oil in there. Add just a little bit more. And we're going to get our chicken in there, our chicken saltimboccas, and we are going to go pretty side down. So I'm going to go pretty side down first, like so. Same to the other side, like so. And obviously we need salt or pepper on that other side, but be careful with salt, just a little bit of salt. There's a lot of salt in that prosciutto. And obviously we need some fresh cracked pepper on there. Alright, we're going to brown this up, make it look good. That's the start. We're going to plate this up. We're going to make a sauce. It's going to be delicious. And let you watch that sizzle for a little bit, because it's kind of fun. Yeah, I kind of like to watch it sizzle. All right, it's been about 4 minutes, I would say, and we are obviously cooking our chicken through. It's time to see if we did a good job. So let's flip this over and see if we got a nice crust over there, and we do. Let's see about this other one. I don't know, I'm nervous. What about you guys? Oh, look at that. All right, guys. I mean, come on. That, we got it going on here with this dish. The oil back over there. Alright, our chicken, we're going to let it cook on the other side here. Cook it through. And we'll make our sauce next. Delicious, guys. Delicious. Alright, guys. We are back. This is the same pan I sauteed the chicken in, and we're not going to take anything out of it. We're going to leave everything in there because that is all deliciousness that we don't want to waste. We're going to add to it, I'm going to add 2 tablespoons of butter to that mix, and it's going to start melting down. And I'm going to add just a little bit of salt to it. And obviously some delicious fresh cracked pepper. So this is a sage brown butter sauce, but we're going to add lemon and chili flake to it. So it's going to be a little different than your regular sage brown butter sauce. So what we're doing is we're looking to brown this butter. That's what we're going to do. And we've got a little insurance in there because we got some fat from that prosciutto there to help us protect from burning this. There's a big difference between brown butter and burnt butter. Let's be honest there. Alright, we'll go in with the rest of our sage. And I'm going to go in with a couple stalks of the sage that we had left over from when we cut our sage up. We're going to get that going around good. It's going to be a fast, quick sauce. Make sure you got something to pour this into when you're done, which I do right here, and that's where it's going to go. Look for a brown butter, not a burnt butter. We've already added salt. We've already added pepper. We've got our sage in there, getting nice and crispy, flavoring that. Just add just a little bit of pepper flake. Not a lot, just a little bit. Alright, it's wonderful. And a little bit of lemon juice, fresh lemon juice. Uh-oh, got a pip in there. We're gonna have to fish that out. That's okay. Something in the world. Got it right away. Alright. Coming together nicely. Already turning, as you can tell. Look at that. Already turning on us. We are done with that. We're gonna pull these out. And that's our sauce. Alright, peeps, we are ready to plate. Are you guys ready to plate? Because I know I am. I'm hungry. And here we go. Roasted potatoes, which it's got some olive oil, salt, pepper. These are baby potatoes. 45 minutes in a 400-degree oven. And they turn out delicious. Like that. They look good. They are delicious. I've already ate like a gazillion. Green beans, which I have steamed, and obviously coated with butter and salt and pepper and a little bit of my wonderful, I love the seasoning. I know I show you guys this little stuff, but a little bit of that, good stuff. And so that goes there. Start building our plate there, like so. Alright. And our delicious, I mean delicious, chicken saltimbocca that turned out spot on. I'll go on the top, like so. And like so. And like so. Alright. It's looking good, don't you guys think? You know what? What are we missing? We're missing something here. We are definitely missing something, and that's our sauce. So that's coming up next. Got our chicken saltimbocca. Got some green beans on there that are not playing very nice, are they? So anyway, our sauce, and we got that, our brown butter sage sauce with lemon and chili flake. So let's add some of that to the mix there. All around, delicious sauce, easy sauce, works well with squash also, or ravioli. I don't know what you guys eat all the time, but it works well with all that. And it's looking good so far. Let's just add just a little bit of Parmesan to the mix for a little more flavor to it. Obviously do not have to do that because you don't. And a little bit of lemon juice just to make our flavors up a little bit for us. And there you guys got it. Wonderful chicken saltimbocca done cooking the Corey way. I hope you enjoyed this video. Like I said, the roasted potatoes and beans, I think that's simple enough. You guys can handle that. Or don't do it. Just make the chicken saltimbocca. Hey, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Cooking with Corey on YouTube. Hey, I'm out there on Roku also. I'll put this on Facebook also. Love you guys. Hope you enjoy this dish. Make it your own. We'll see ya.